Welcome to this short video showing how to repressurize a Tribune Xe or Ultrasteel Plus Unvented cylinder. As with all unvented hot water systems, the built-in thermal expansion space or external expansion vessel will lose pressure over time and require repressurizing. If water flows intermittently through the tundish, your cylinder does not have a fault, but the internal air gap needs recharging. To do this, please follow these 6 simple steps. Step 1. Allow the cylinder to cool by turning off the boiler and/or immersion heaters to the cylinder and using up the hot water. We recommend using the water naturally with your everyday usage until it runs cold to avoid waste. Alternatively, you can drain all hot water out of the cylinder by opening the lowest hot tap in the property until the water runs cold, and once complete, turn the tap off. Step 2. Turn the water supply off to the cylinder via the stopcock. Step 3. Open the lowest hot tap in the property. Step 4. Hold open the temperature and pressure relief valve until the gurgling noise stops and water stops running from the lowest open tap. Step 5. Close temperature and pressure relief valve. Open the mains cold water supply to the cylinder. When normal flow and operation returns from the lowest tap, please close the tap. Step 6. Turn the boiler and/or immersion heaters back on. This should be the process completed. If the water continues to drip from the tundish, your hot water system requires attention. Switch off the boiler immersions, leave the water supply on, and contact a competent heating engineer for advice. Kingspan Service can provide quotes for a qualified Kingspan engineer by calling 0333 240 6868. For more information on hot water products, please visit our website or email hotwater@kingspan.com.